Ever wondered why weight loss seems like an uphill battle for many? Or why some diet plans work for others, but not for you? It's a complex issue, right? Well, today we dive into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating. These two concepts have been gaining traction in recent years due to their potential benefits for weight management and overall health. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet in the traditional sense. Rather, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't tell you what to eat, but when to eat. There are several variants of IF, such as the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat only within an 8-hour window. Or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your caloric intake for the remaining 2. On the other hand, time-restricted eating, or TRE, is a type of intermittent fasting where you limit your eating to a certain number of hours each day. For instance, you might choose to eat only between the hours of 12 noon and 8 in the evening, fasting for the remaining 16 hours. Now, you may ask, why would anyone willingly choose to starve themselves? Well, it's not about starvation, but rather about giving your body a break. When you fast, your body switches its energy source from glucose to stored fat, leading to weight loss. Furthermore, fasting periods can help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even potentially enhance longevity. However, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. Intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating are not suitable for everyone. For instance, people with certain medical conditions, pregnant women, or those with a history of eating disorders should consult a healthcare professional before starting these regimes. In conclusion, intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating are not just about losing weight. They're about restructuring your eating patterns to potentially improve metabolic health, manage weight, and even possibly extend your lifespan. However, as with any lifestyle change, it's crucial to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's a good fit for you. So there you have it. A quick dive into the world of intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating. Remember, weight management isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works best for you and your body. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep striving for a healthier